Alright, so a cyclist travels 5 kilometres in 15 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the cyclist in metres per second and kilometres per hour. So you need to find two answers. So I'll probably highlight those. You need to figure out the speed. Alright, so let's write some facts down. That's where I'll start. So for my facts. Alright, use symbols. Let's just use the blue pen. Alrighty, so my facts I've got given is that the cyclist travels 5 kilometres. So 5 kilometres is a unit of distance. Hopefully we understand that, so I use an S for distance. Also, I have my time, which is 15 minutes. Now, before I'm able to calculate, use a formula to calculate the speed, I have to make sure that's in a standard unit. So I'm going to make sure this is in meters. So you times 1,000 because technically a K is 10 to the power of 3. So 5 times 10 to the power of 3 meters is 5,000 meters. Alright, 15 minutes. Now, if you want to change minutes to seconds, you just times 60 because as 1 minute is 60 seconds. So hopefully, we're pretty familiar with that conversion. Alright, 15 times 60, or that is, you can just do it on the side if you don't have a calculator. Go 90 and then another 100, so it's 900 seconds. So hopefully we're okay with that. So once we got the facts, remember we got to do the formula. Right, so we've got to do the formula. Right, speed, we're trying to find the speed. Again, if you want to, in your facts, write what we're trying to find as a little question mark, you're more than welcome to. So that's where I would start. So let me just make it a little bit smaller. Alright, formula, the speed formula, V is S over T. Brilliant, so all I have to do is go S, which is 5 times 10 to the power of 3, divided by 900 seconds. Alright, I'm not going to bother putting the calculator answer for you. You should be able to just check with the final answer. But this is basically what you're putting in the calculator to spit out your final answer. Now, this answer is in meters per second. Correct? Now, you need to convert that into a kilometers per hour as well, because that's what the answer requires you to. So what I'm going to do is times 3.6. Hopefully we understand that to go to meters per second to kilometers per hour, we just times 3.6. And otherwise, if you want to go that way, it's divide 3.6. So because we're going to meters per second to kilometers per hour, we just times by 3.6. So, eventually I chuck it in the calculator, or with the answer, you get 5 times 10 to the 3 times 3.6 as well, and 900. So if you put this in the calculator, you will get a final answer in kilometers per hour. Alright, let's keep going. So explain why the cyclist's speed is referred to as an average speed.